What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Low Tech, and today we are dropping off the bumper here at my buddy's shop, Vital. He's gonna be taking care of my front bumper. I don't know if you guys remember when I broke my front bumper. Broke it here, and I want to get the lip repainted. This shit's all fucked. All right, we're out of here. I'll be back in a week.
1 hour later.
Rushed through earlier when I was explaining on what I was getting done to the bumper and the fender, so I kind of just wanted to talk about that a little bit. You guys remember when I messed up my front bumper? For those of you guys are wondering, it's an OEM Nismo front bumper, just with an emblem delete. But yeah, anyways, so I don't know if you guys remember the day I messed up my front bumper. I'm gonna put the video up on the screen right now. Happened, and that hurt. I'm not gonna lie, that fucking bumper is so expensive now. It's about like $1,300 now, brand new from dealer. They used to be like $500-600, but yeah, that freaking price shot up. So I don't want to go through the hassle and buying a new one, and I'd rather just get my front bumper fixed. If you guys can see, I'm gonna put the picture up on the screen. The side of it kind of got shaved off, so he's gonna add material on there like Bondo. I don't know what's the process of that. I'm actually excited to see if he says he can do it, so I'm leaving it in his hands. So yeah, I'm hoping it'll look like new again.
3 hours later.
It's cold. I'm being a pussy. Alright. I'm gonna end up going to a car meet last minute, but before we head out to the car meet, I am going to show you guys really quick on what I do. Since I don't have my mouthpiece that holds up my GoPro to my mouth, obviously I don't have it with me. I forgot it at the shop. So I want to show you guys really quick what I did, so you guys can get that good driving footage. Yes, I hold the GoPro with my mouth. So all you need is a head strap. This thing right here looks like a fucking thong. You get this on Amazon for like 10 bucks. It's in my Amazon list. If you want to hit the link down in the description, you literally just cut this off and you just use this plastic piece. So let me show you guys really quick while we wait for my boy to come through, because not everyone's here yet. We're waiting for one more person. Oh, fuck yeah. Neochrome blade, no big deal.
What the fuck are you doing, yours? No.
I'm making my...
Oh, fuck. What if you would have stabbed this nigga?
Fuck him.
That's
Wow.
it? That's what I came up with?
I'm just trying to... No. What you call it?
That carbon fiber gauge pod right here for like 20 bucks.
Really?
Yeah, some idiot posted on the forums. I was like, 12:30. I was like, I'll pick up right now.
Fuck. Are we ready?
Yeah.
I thought we were waiting for George.
We're meeting him up.
Oh, we're meeting him up? I guess we're not waiting for him. We're leaving already. So, where's that fucking piece at? I can use this one. God damn it. Wait for me. I'm not ready. I'm making my mouthpiece.
Push your clutch again.
Wait for me, assholes! And there you have it.
Mouthpiece.
That's how I fucking record my driving footage. Is it focused? Oh yeah, it is. And just like that. My GoPro's gonna die. I think I'm just gonna save my battery and record later if I catch a run. I'm green, I'm going for it! So many turbo noises, I like it! Alright, we came to, whoa, that shit's almost zoomed in. Oh fuck, I don't want to fucking scare you guys, I'm ugly as shit. Alright, what's up guys? We came to a new location. We came to Arco gas station. You gotta pump that Arco, it's the best gas for your car. Just kidding, totally kidding, do not. But yeah, we are waiting for two more friends, I guess. My boy George with his GTR and my other friend Kachuo and his Evo 10. So there's gonna be 3 Evo 10s, an Evo 8 and a GTR. And of course, I'm the slowest one here. But it's alright. It's alright. I love being slow. We got an S15. No. Rip. Free him. I think that's a BRZ slut. Rip. That's why I don't come to this car meet anymore. It's so sketchy. Origins car meets, man. Every time on the way there, someone has to get fucking state repped or impounded. Turn your car on. Oh, you did. damn, fucking shitload of cars. My boy Sebastian on a full carbon GTR. Must be nice. Fuck you then, puto. I'm deleting you out of my vlog. Alright, so clearly I have some indecisive friends who can't decide where we're gonna meet. So we just ended up coming to the car meet to meet up with everyone else. So I had to park next to the Subi because why not? Subi, Evo.
When I stop being lazy and go into my bunker.
Fix it! Fix it, stupid! Oh, you fixed it. I'm just kidding. Damn, there's some car meet stretches till the very end over there. That is crazy. Right now in a bit, I will walk around and show you guys the cars that are here. There's a lot of pretty cool cars. I like showing you guys the cars out here in Cali because I know a lot of you guys are not from Cali, and a lot of you guys can get an idea. I don't know, for me personally, if I see a car that's just like mine, I'm gonna... What up? Called my name and I forgot what I was saying. Oh yeah, I personally like to see other cars and get ideas off of it, so this is kind of one of the reasons why I like showing you guys different cars on the vlog, so you guys can get like cool color scheme ideas and all that. Look at this shit. This thing sounds aggressive. We get it, you have cams, turn it off.
What did you going here for?
Turn it off because that's the S15 I was telling you guys about. They let them go. Sick. Lucky guy. It won't start. Oh, fuck. I guess it's time to get out of here. It is freaking raining now. Sucks. I'm not gonna be able to catch any runs. I really wanted to race someone today, but it's not gonna happen. So I think I'm just gonna end the vlog. Again, if you're not supporting the movement, techlo.com, link is down in the description. That is it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you smash that thumbs up for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And guys, remember why you started. I'm gonna be recording just in case he gets caught. And that's 15 again. God damn, that's fucking sick. Fuck yeah.